Hello, and welcome to English with a KS, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Tom, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally step by step, day by day. I'll be speaking slowly and clearly, so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're talking about something very simple but very powerful: how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, a lot of people believe they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker beside you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you really need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily routine. Steps that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English. So, let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard the word before, shadowing. Maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and it's powerful. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look up words in a dictionary. You just copy the sound like an echo. You try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone and rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you repeat. Very good. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it might feel a little strange. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, and how it feels in your mouth. If you do this regularly, even just 5 minutes a day, you'll start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit that creates big results. Now, let's get to the main question: how can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, Tom, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. And I always tell them, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every day right in your real life, wherever you are. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you have to listen more every day. Not just once a week, not only in class. Every single day. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you feel the real rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster. And it helps you get used to how real people speak, not just the English from textbooks. So how can you do it? Listen to podcasts like this one. Listen to English music. Watch videos on YouTube. Listen to short stories or English news for learners. You don't need to understand 100%. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you only understand 30% or 50%, it's still useful. You can listen while you walk, clean, cook, exercises, or rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, the next step is use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking, that's how you get strong. After you hear a sentence or a short clip of audio, repeat it. Copy the voice. Match the rhythm. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I'm improving little by little. Repeat. Do this every day. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You'll notice your speaking becomes smoother, Your pronunciation becomes clearer. You feel more confident. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip 3. Think in English, one thought at a time. This is one of the most powerful changes you can make. Start thinking in English. At first, it feels difficult. You want to translate from your native language. But translation takes time, and it slows us down. So, how do we start thinking in English? Begin with short, simple sentences. Say them in your mind. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. When you go outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. During your day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These are small thoughts, but they help your brain connect directly to English. No translation. No delay. Later, try saying them out loud. Just whisper or speak quietly. It's like having a daily conversation with yourself in English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is better. It helps your mouth, your tongue, and your brain work together. Choose short, simple texts, a children's book, an English story for beginners, a dialogue from a video or podcast. Read slowly, clearly. Then read again a little faster. Then again with more expression. Imagine you are an actor. This helps your pronunciation, fluency, confidence. It's like going to the gym for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. Let me tell you something important. If you want to speak English well, don't just study English. Live with English. What do I mean? English shouldn't be something you only do for 30 minutes on Monday night. It shouldn't only happen in the classroom or in your study book. It should become part of your real, everyday life. Just like your morning coffee or your favorite app. The more you see English, hear English, and use English in your life, the more natural it becomes. Here are some easy ways to do that, even if you're busy. 1. Change your phone settings to English. You probably look at your phone 50, maybe 100 times a day. So why not learn while doing it? You'll see English words every time you open it. You'll learn words like settings, airplane mode, brightness, update, available, delete, download. You don't need to study these words. You just see them often and your brain remembers. This is called passive learning, and it really works. 2. Write a short diary in English every day. You don't need to write long essays. Just write 3 short sentences about your day. For example, today I went to work. I was very tired. I drank 2 cups of coffee. It rained this morning. I stayed home. I watched an English video. This is great practice for building simple sentence structure, using real vocabulary from your daily life. If you do this every night for just 5 minutes, you'll improve more than you think. 3. Record a 1-minute voice message every day. This is one of my favorite tips. At the end of the day, open your phone and record yourself speaking. Just talk for 1 minute. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, or something you learned. For example, today was busy. I had a meeting in the morning. I made lunch for my family. In the evening, I watched a short English video. It's okay if you make mistakes. No one else has to hear it. This is just for you. When you listen to yourself, you learn. You hear your pronunciation. You hear your grammar. You notice your common mistakes and fix them next time. This builds confidence, fluency, and self-awareness. 4. Join an English-speaking group online. You don't need to wait for a classroom. You can connect with other English learners online. Join a WhatsApp group, a Telegram channel, Facebook groups for English learners, websites like Tandem. You can write short messages, send voice notes, ask and answer questions. Even just reading what others write can help. This makes English feel alive. It becomes a way to connect not just a subject you study. 5. Watch short videos and repeat the sentences. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are full of short, simple English videos. Choose videos about travel, food, daily life, funny clips, anything you enjoy. Watch the same video 2 or 3 times. Then pause and repeat what you hear. Try to copy the voice, the way they speak, their tone and speed. Even if it's just a 20-second video, that's great. It's a fun, easy way to learn how English is really spoken. Final thoughts. Using English in your daily life isn't hard. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you don't need a teacher to do it. Here's the secret. Turn small daily actions into English practice. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English video instead of your own language. These small actions build strong habits, and strong habits build confident English speakers. So, remember, make English part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your journal, your thoughts, and your voice. Let it be part of who you are, not just what you study. When you do this, English won't feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with, and that's when real fluency begins. See you next time.